In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for your Shopify account. Adding this extra layer of security is a vital step in protecting your store and ensuring that only you, and whomever you choose, can access it. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To begin, you'll want to navigate your way to the top right corner of your Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll see your store's name and logo prominently displayed. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu, providing you with a few different options to explore. From this menu, you'll want to select your account name. Clicking here will take you directly to your account settings, where we'll make the necessary adjustments to enhance your store's security. Once you're in your account settings, take a moment to locate the left panel. This is where you'll find several categories detailing various settings for your account. We're looking specifically for an option labeled Security. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a number of security-related options. You're going to want to scroll down this page until you reach the section dedicated to two-step authentication. Here, you'll see an option to turn on two-step authentication. Go ahead and activate it. Shopify has made the setup process pretty straightforward. By following the on-screen instructions, you'll be well on your way to securing your account. You might be asked to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Remember, this step is crucial because it's what provides an additional barrier against unauthorized access. As you proceed with the setup, it's important to carefully follow every prompt and input the correct information where required. If you're asked to select your preferred method of authentication, such as receiving a text message or using an authenticator app, choose the one that best suits your needs. Keep in mind that having a backup method is also a smart idea, as it provides an alternative if your primary method is inaccessible. And just like that, you're done. Once you've successfully enabled two-factor authentication, you'll have taken an important step towards safeguarding your Shopify store from potential security threats. This setup ensures that even if someone manages to get hold of your password, they still can't log in without that second form of verification unique to you. These additional safety measures are crucial in today's digital age, where data breaches and unauthorized access attempts are all too common. By enabling two-factor authentication, you're doing your part to protect not just your business, but also the sensitive information entrusted to you by your customers. Thanks for following along, and remember to always stay proactive when it comes to digital security.